Have you ever wondered why franchise dealerships grow faster than independent dealerships? It's not because of a lot of inventory. It's not because of they have more cash flow. In this video, we will discuss why independent car dealers are struggling, why franchise dealers are growing faster. And we're going to show you the tools that you need as an independent car dealer to be able to grow faster too. When we hear the word independent, we start singing the song from Disney Child. No, it doesn't mean that you don't need assistance. We all need assistance. We all need to grow. We all need to scale. How do you grow? You can't do it all by yourself. You can't be the mechanic. You can't be the sales girl. You can't be the cleaner. You can't be the accountant. You can't be the person that answers phone calls when customers are calling you back. Can you imagine? You sold a car last week and you're now working on the second car that you want to sell. And the customer from last week is calling you, telling you that the car won't start. At that time, you are looking at all the YouTube videos how to fix the car at hand. But somebody is calling you and you will be running out of patience. The tone of response to this customer will cost you a lot because now the customer will turn back and give you a bad review. So my friend, the reason why franchise dealerships are growing faster than you and I is because they have system and model that they follow. When it's a franchise, somebody has done all this work, put all the system in place, and now is able to sell it to other dealers that wants to be under their franchise. This system that we're talking about is the CRM, customer relationship management. This can be a AI agent that is working for them. We are in the era of AI. Some people are using AI to speed their growth, while you and I are still writing, talking to customer, working on the vehicle, doing accounting all by ourselves. All these things can be automated. That's why I told you guys that you need to come out of the office, attend some seminars. Last week I was at a seminar learning how to draw traffic, learning how to manage sales, learning how to make profit. These are tools that are in place. You don't have to be a big franchise or belong to a franchise to grow. You and I can do the studies. Use your spare time to better your sales. Use your spare time to better your marketing so you can continue to grow. As an independent car dealer, I know you don't have big budget, but you can use systems like Auto Raptor or Dealer Center. And if you're here with us, you can also tell us on the comment section what dealer management that you're using so we can know, because one person cannot know it all. It's a community. Share and leave it on the comment section. And some of you will be asking, Ifeanyi, hold on, I cannot afford all these systems that you're talking about. But the real question is not can you afford it? The real question is, what is it costing you every day? What is it costing you if you don't have these systems in place? And you're talking about you're struggling. Listen, if you don't use the AI right now, if you don't use this system right now, you'll be left behind. You'll be left behind. Can you remember the time when we were saying that I don't want to use internet or I don't want to use the computer? You cannot do anything now without using the computer. That's what is going on now with AI. That's what is going on with all this system. If you're avoiding it because of that little cost you're gonna pay, what is costing you is more than that. But the smart dealers that put all this system in place, they have a lot to gain. They have more time to be able to talk to qualified customers, because in this system, you sort out all the customers that are not serious and you have customers that are qualified, because you're gonna pre-qualify them in the system before they come to the office. With this system, you're gonna be able to speed your sales, make more money. With these systems, if you put them in place, you have more time to spend with your family. Those are the people that matters. You'll be at your sleep and your system is working for you 24 hours. When all these systems are working for you, then you have more time to be able to calculate very well, to know how to Buy smart, sell fast, and make a lot of money. My friend, you are in the game.